Okay, residence 16. Going to the entrance, has 2 parkings. As you walk in, kitchen area, fully equipped, modern. There's a bathroom, lounge area. It goes outside to the pool area, nice and quiet. If you look here, it's a small storeroom, laundry room. Then we go upstairs. Upstairs we have 3 bedrooms. So start here. Bedroom. The bathroom. An additional toilet room. Another bathroom. Second bedroom. And third bedroom. So that's 1 ensuite bedroom and 2 separate bedrooms with a sharing bathroom and an additional toilet. And the owner is looking currently for 35,000.